Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting materials and measuring precisely. You need sturdy corrugated cardboard, a sharp craft knife, glue, a ruler, and a small nail or paper clip for the latch. Measure the door edge and mark the lock cavity placement. This defines where the mechanism sits and why alignment matters. Once done, trace a rectangular lock body on 2 cardboard layers and cut them carefully. Make a clean slot for the latch arm, so it moves smoothly and won't jam during use. Now you assemble the moving parts. Glue the 2 lock body pieces, pressing flat so the cavity stays rigid. This prevents wobble when the latch moves. Make the latch arm from a folded cardboard strip and reinforce it with thin glue layers. The fold gives strength versus single sheet. Insert the nail or paper clip through the pre-punched pivot hole so the latch can rotate. Make sure there's slight clearance so it swings but doesn't rattle, because tight tolerances cause sticking. To finish, mount the lock on the door edge using strong glue or double-sided tape and align the latch with a strike cutout on the frame. Alignment ensures the latch catches every time. Test the action repeatedly, open and close to seat parts. If it drags, sand the latch edge lightly or trim the cavity. If it's loose or misaligned, tighten the pivot or add a thin cardboard shim to adjust clearance. A single small tweak usually fixes binding or failure to catch.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.